Hello everyone, here is Amazon Fire TV app. So I just can get it, tap get to download it. And then I can just use Touch ID to install the app. With this app, what you can have like simple remote. You can have touchpad remote. You can have live TV watch from anywhere. So that's really amazing features here to enhance your Fire TV experience. The free Amazon Fire TV mobile app for iOS enhances your Fire TV experience with simple navigation, a keyboard for easy text entry, and quick access to your favorite apps and games. It features voice search, simple navigation, playback controls, simple text entry, quick access to your apps and games, Fire TV recast support. So there you have it, and you have 4.5 out of 5 average rating. So let's just open it up and let's see the features. You need to give access to your Bluetooth, you need to give access to your local network, turn on notifications. You can disable or enable, disable that. Then it's just basically looking for new devices. You can set up a new device here. So here you can just sign in with Amazon, and if you have access to Amazon account, you can just sign in here and it's already so then you just need to approve that notification, and then from here you can just sign in, set up new device, Fire TV Blaster, Fire TV remote, set up new device, and here you have a remote, but of course it will be available when you have set up a new device. To set up a new device, make sure your phone and Fire TV device are connected to the same network. So something like that.